In this video, I'm going to share a secret strategy which ICT doesn't know about opening gaps. Now, this takes a little bit of teaching, but bear with me. It has a 67% win rate, but then when you combine it with Goldbach, your win rates increase significantly. So let's go through the statistics first. This is Edgeful. The report that you want is a price action outside days report, and I'm running the data for NQ using 3 years worth of data, and it's the New York session we care about. Essentially, what this report tells you is if we have the equities open below yesterday's low, then there's a 68% chance we will reverse back up to yesterday's low. And similarly, if we have the equities open above yesterday's high, we have a 67% chance we'll reverse back down. Okay, so these are great statistics, but when you combine it with Goldbach, there are amazing trading opportunities. But you really need to understand what this means, because you have to use regular trading hours, not electronic trading hours. So this is Thursday's price action. So I've marked out the regular trading hours from 9:30 until 4 o'clock. Okay, we don't count the 4 o'clock candle because that is post the close. So the low of Thursday's price action was here. Okay, now where did we open? Okay, on Friday at 9:30 a.m., we opened here. So we have a gap. Okay, this is the gap that we want to exploit because there's a 67% chance we will go back to yesterday's low. So remember, these are the regular trading hours, okay? Okay, these are the regular trading hours. These are the off hours, okay? These are the electronic trading hours. So now our bias is bullish, okay? We have a bullish bias, but of course, we want Goldbach. So let's zoom in, find the range we are looking for, and let's go down to a lower time frame. Okay, so this is the 1 minute time frame now. This is the open. So let's get very accurate with our pricing. Okay, this was the open. Now the power of 3 that we're using is the 243. Okay, the 243, and I'm showing you the data for the US 100, which is NQ. Okay, once we enable this, you will see we are very conveniently within a Goldbach dealing range. Okay, so now we have entry models. So what do I teach you about Algo 2? Okay, Algo 2, and if you would like more information, then click on the video in the top right, goes from the low to the breaker, retraces to the fair value gap, and then terminates at the opposing order block. But we need our trigger for Algo 2 starting. So when we play the candles back, let's see what happens. So we are bullish, okay? We are bullish because we are trying to get to the low of yesterday. Okay, so let's see what price gives us. Okay, we have a stop run into the low. Okay, the stop run into the low of the dealing range. We swept all the liquidity into the low. Let's see if we can find the footprints of Algo 2 now. We very conveniently left a fair value gap in the fair value gap partition. After a stop run into the low. Okay, we are looking for ideally a retrace from the breaker. We are in the breaker. So now let's set up our trade as an Algo 2. We can put our stop at the low. And we can take it off. Maybe consequent encroachment of the order block. Let's see how this plays out. So we've not tapped into the trade yet. We have a stop run into the low, fair value gap in the fair value gap GB level. And let's see if we are tapped in. Tapped into the trade. Trade is moving. Coming to the breaker. TP hit. Okay, that's a 4.85 hour trade. Can you see after we tapped in to the fair value gap in the fair value gap GB level, price took off immediately. Okay, there was no second option of getting in. So we had a retrace into the fair value gap. Then we had to retrace into the breaker, and then we TP'd. So once again, okay, what Edgeful tells us is if we open below the yesterday's low, looking at regular trading hours, there's a 67% chance we will go back to the low. But once you combine this information with Goldbach, your win rate improves significantly. If you would like access to Edgeful, so you can really understand this trade statistic, there's a link to a 7-day free trial in the description to this video. And if you would like to learn the way I trade time and price using my golden bullet, which I use for Forex, index futures, crypto, metals, and energies, there's a link to my mentorship below.